Let's learn how to adjust your watch. We do that with the crown, baby. The first one is an automatic diving watch. Since it would normally go underwater, we have to unscrew the crown till it pops out. From here, there are 3 clicks on a self-winding automatic watch with date. First click is to wind the watch manually. Second click is for the date window. Third is for the time. First click. Here, we can hear it wind the spring. Second, we're going to skip for right now. Third, we're adjusting the time. Back to the second. We need to keep the hours below the 3 and 9, so the gears that turn the date over do not get damaged. Press in and turn until it stops turning and you have it sealed. You can see it as well. We're going to set a specific time and date for this practice, 6:26 p.m. on the 3rd. Unscrew the crown and pull it to the 3rd position. We'll turn it till it's past the 12 marker so we can figure out whether it's AM or PM cycle right now. If it turns the date over, it was PM. If it doesn't, it was AM. Turn, baby, turn. Turn, baby, turn. And 6. Now adjust till we get to the 26. Since it's under the 3 and 9, we can adjust the date without damage. Press the crown in all the way, move it to the 2nd position, and rotate till the date starts to move. And stop once it reaches its right date. In our case, it's the 3rd. And boom! 6:26 p.m. on the 3rd. Press in and turn to seal it back up. This quartz watch is almost the exact same, except there's no unscrewing and no winding. Pull out the crown, date, second one is the time. Hopefully you've learned something. Catch you on the flip side.